Today's topic is polymorphism.
Okay.
So polymorphism is used to reduce the complexity of the program. Okay,
Okay.
and you can see here poly means multiple. So we can perform a single task in multiple ways. That is called polymorphism.
We can perform multiple tasks in a single way.
No, a
Uh,
single task performed in multiple ways.
Oh, okay. A single task perform multiple ways, right?
Yes. Like suppose uh, ATM machine. If
Mm-hmm.
we will input the ATM card of HDFC Bank, then that will work as a HDFC ATM machine. If we will
Okay.
put SBI ATM machine ATM card in ATM machine, so that machine would work as a SBI
Mm.
ATM machine. So
Okay.
we can perform a single task in multiple ways. So in
Hmm.
a single machine, we can use multiple bank ATM card of bank, multiple bank. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So there are two types of polymorphism. First is compile time,
Okay.
and second is runtime polymorphism. Okay. In compile time polymorphism, we perform method or function overloading.
Okay.
Okay. And second, operator overloading. Okay. In runtime polymorphism, we perform method or function overriding. Okay. But Java does not support operator overloading. So we will learn only two operations, method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading is a compile time polymorphism and method overriding is a runtime polymorphism. Okay.
Mhm.
So first of all, try to understand what is method overloading. Okay.
Mhm.
If you want to perform method overloading, so we have three methods. We can change data type of parameters. Okay. Second, the sequence of parameter. You can say that is a third, and then the number of parameter. Okay. But Java ambiguity problem. So Java doesn't support change the sequence of parameter. So we will learn to change the type of parameter and change the number of parameters. Okay. So what is the meaning of this? Actually, suppose we want to create a method. So in a class, we can create a method. Uh, suppose we'll create a method with a single name. We can create multiple method in a class in method overloading. मतलब, here suppose here I'm going to create an example. Sorry. I'm going to create project. Suppose here I'm going to create a class. Like suppose class name is demo. Add publish user and main. Suppose here integer value. Okay, suppose this is a simple method. This method have a single parameter that is a integer type. Okay. Suppose we want to create multiple method with same name in this class. So it is not possible. You can see it's showing error. Okay. If we want to create multiple method with same name in a single class, so it is not possible in normal ways. But with the help of method overloading, we can create multiple method with same name in a single class. Okay.
So this is overriding. No,
That's
overload.
overriding. Yes.
Overriding.
So
So in
how?
overriding,
Yes.
we can create what?
We can create multiple method with same name in a single class.
Oh, with
Like
same name, we can create multiple method in overriding.
yes,
Oh,
yes.
that's why it says
I-
overriding.
Yes, yes. You can see here all method
Okay.
have same name, set value, but they are showing error. So how to use method overloading? We can change that. Here you can see this. Change the data type of parameter. So here we are going to change the parameter, data type of parameter. Like suppose here I use string. Okay, error remove. Okay, showing error here. Suppose I'm going to use double.
Mhm. So,
Okay, okay, it's working. So in method overloading, we can create multiple method with same name. Okay,
in overriding, we can create multiple method with the same name,
with
set
same in a
value,
single class. In a single
uh,
class.
in
Okay,
a single class.
here
Okay.
here, but data type of the each method have a single parameter, but data
Uh,
types are changed. Here you can see the integer,
yes, integer,
string,
string,
double,
double.
boolean.
Oh,
Okay, so we
so
have
it
two
should
method.
be
So we have two method. First, change the data type parameter. So with the
okay.
if we can change the parameter, we can create multiple method with same name.
Same name.
Okay.
Mhm.
So how we can use this? So now I'm going to create an object of this class. So
Mhm.
demo obj is equal to new demo and obj dot set value. Okay. So if we will pass here a, a boolean value, so it will work as a boolean method.
Okay.
There is a boolean x. What happened?
TORE. Is it true?
That's true.
Oh, that is true. Yeah.
Set value. It's okay, I think.
TRUE, I guess. Spelling mistake.
Oh,
I think.
oh, yes, 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 yes. That's true. Yes. Okay.
Oh,
Then it will work as a Boolean
Boolean.
method. You can see this
Mm-hmm.
Boolean value.
Yeah.
Okay. If you will
Got it.
pass here integer values, so it will work as a integer
Integer value.
method. Okay.
Okay.
If we will pass here, suppose double values,
Overriding. Okay.
yes. So which type of value will pass here? It will act as that type
Float.
of went method. Okay. Suppose here
Okay.
we'll pass here.
Character.
Okay. It,
Oh, string
that
size.
is a string values. So where we can pass four types of values. So as per our requirement, we can create multiple methods with same name. Okay.
Okay.
But in this example, I have changed only data type of parameter. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The second way is uh, change the number of parameter. So I'm going to create another example.
Change.
Add publish red main. Finish. So now private. Now we are going to create multiple methods with same name. Okay. But suppose we want to create same method with same name. It's not possible. So now we are going to change the number of parameter. So here pass single parameter. Okay. And in this method, I'm going to pass here method. Okay. So here use x, 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 and y. Okay. So here we changed here number of parameter. This method have zero parameter. This method have one parameter. This method have two parameter. So
Okay.
we can change the number of parameter and create multiple method with same name in a single class.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to create another method. So we want to find out the area of rectangle. So okay.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we are going to create a object of this class. Okay, suppose here we pass 0 parameter. Okay. Okay, length is 0, width is 0, rectangle is 0.
Okay.
If you will pass here single parameter, suppose 10. Okay. Okay. The length is 10, width
Then.
is 10, and rectangle is equal to 100. If here,
Okay.
if here we are passing here 2 parameter, so it will work. Length is 10, width 20, and area of rectangle is equal to 200. Okay. So we can create multiple methods with same name with change the number of parameter. Here, this method have 0 parameter. This method have 1 parameter, or this method have 2 parameter.
Multiple method with same name and different parameter.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt?
I know. Different
Okay.
parameter.
Okay.
So which one we use? I mean, like generally, which one is preferred?
As
Both?
per your requirement.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Mhm.
so we can also use a method. We can change the sequence of parameters. It's also possible, but Java does not support that. Okay. So we use only two data type of parameter and sequence of parameter. Okay, and we can also use combine, because here we can also declare another parameter. Okay, so we can create the data type of parameter and change the parameter and create multiple method with same name in single class. Okay, and which type of value will pass, that method will be execute. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose same thing we want to perform to the constructor. It is also possible. That is called constructor overloading. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now suppose we are going to convert this example in constructor. Suppose. Okay. So constructor name is same as class name. Class name and constructor name both are same. And second thing, it have not return type.
Okay.
We have learned in last session.
Mhm. Yes, yes, no return type.
Okay, it have not return type, and the name of the constructor is same as class name. Okay, and we have not need to call this constructor. Here you can see showing error. So we have not need to call this. At the place of this, we can pass only the value in constructor. Okay, and have not need to call this. It will
Okay.
automatically call at the time of creating of uh, object. So now I'm going to execute this. String type
So
values.
we don't need to declare. I mean, like here, we didn't declare this value, right?
Yes. Which type of value
Validate.
we can pass any type of values like
Mhm.
integer type values. So this method will be execute. Constructor
Okay.
will be execute.
Mhm.
Okay. If you will
Okay.
pass here Boolean values.
Okay. So it will understand what kind of value it is, and then it
Yes,
will
yes, 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 yes.
no return method. Okay.
Okay, it will automatically come at the time of creation of object. Okay, so this is example of
Constructor.
constructor overloading.
Okay, constructor overloading.
Okay, second example. Again, we are going to create example of constructor overloading. So suppose this class name is demo4. So here we can use demo4 and remove the return type. Okay. After that here, we have not need to call value. Okay. If you will pass two values, so it will work. Okay. If we are passing here only single values, single argument constructor will execute.
No. Oh, why?
Because here I have declared single parameter in constructor. So that constructor will be execute. If you are passing zero constructor, zero parameter, so this constructor will be execute. If you are
No.
passing one parameter to this method, this constructor will be execute. If you are
Hmm.
passing two parameter, so this method will be execute.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose here we are passing zero parameter, so it
Uh,
will.
that yes, it will.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is also example of constructor overloading. Okay.
Okay. Constructor overloading.
Okay. Now next is a method overriding. So method overriding. If you want to perform method overload, first of all, what is method overriding? Means if any method is exist in parent class, so we can change the specification of that method in child class. That is called method overriding. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose here
Mhm.
I'm going to create example. Suppose we have a class, parent class. Okay. And parent class have a method.
It's 21 hours.
Suppose our parents wears dhoti kurta.
Mhm.
Okay. And we have another class, child class. This method have a message method. Okay. So parent have a method, where method, and child have a method, message method. Okay. Now I'm going to create a main method, main class. add publisher and main. Okay. Now I'm going to inherit child child extend parent class. Okay. So without inheritance, we cannot perform method overriding. Must we remember that? Okay. Without inheritance, we cannot perform method overriding. Okay.
Okay.
So it method overloading we will perform in a single class, but method overriding perform in two class, and both class have a parent and child relationship. Means is a relationship.
Mhm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So we will perform in two class, and both class have a relationship, child and parent and child class. So here we have two class, parent and child. Okay. And child extend parent. Okay. Now I'm going to create example. So because child extend parents, so we can create the object of child class and access both method obj
The
dot
parent
here and obj dot
method.
message. Okay.
Okay. Method. Yes.
So with the help of inheritance, a child object can call property of parent. Okay.
Mhm.
Child have only MSG method and parent have here, but here I have only object of child, but we can call where and message both method. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Here it's showing dhoti kurta, but suppose child wear jeans t-shirt. Okay. So
Huh?
child can override the parent method. Okay. So how it is possible? So here you can see here, this is a parent method. Here we can
Huh?
copy this. We can change the specification of any method that is already exists in parent class. Okay. So here we can change it. Like, okay. Now we can execute this. Okay. Jeans t-shirt.
Okay.
So we can change the specification of any method in child class that is already exists in parent class.
Okay. In child class, we can change any method which
Yes,
is already existing in
parent
parent class.
class.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So here parent class have a here method. So here I change in child class. That is a registration. Okay.
Okay.
Second thing, suppose yeah, we are going to create another method in parent class. Like suppose public but fish. Okay. There's a parent class have another method that is wish method.
Mhm.
Now I'm going to create another method in child class. Suppose this is a method, MSG method. Okay, no problem. Now I'm going to create call wish method.
Wish. Okay.
Okay, wish method, no problem.
Hmm.
It's working, no problem.
Yep.
Decision. Suppose we want to call. Here it's showing only jeans t-shirt, but suppose we want to also execute, we want to display dhoti kurta also. Okay, means we
Mhm.
want to execute the parent method also. Okay, so here in child class, this super in where we use a keyword super dot where. Okay.
Super.
Super means it will call the properties of parent. So it will call where method of
Oh,
parent class.
parent class. Okay. With the help of super.
Super, yes, yes, yes.
Super keyboard. Super.
You can see this. Dhoti kurta, jeans
Hmm?
t-shirt, dhoti kurta. Okay.
Hmm.
Jeans t-shirt, dhoti kurta is a method of
Parent.
parent class. Okay.
Hmm.
So with the help of super keyword, we can also call the properties of parent class. Okay.
Okay.
Understood?
With this, what the last one? What did you say? I mean, last one.
Actually, only this. If we want to call any properties of parent class, so
Uh-huh.
we can
Okay.
call with the help of super.
Super. Okay.
Okay, super is a
And
keyword.
that method.
Yes, yes. We can call the
Right.
parent properties. Any method, any constructor, any variables, properties we can call through the super method, super keyword. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Any doubt?
Hmm?
Any doubt?
No.
Okay.
No.
After
Can you
suppose
please just go to parent one? Parent one. 1 second. Just gonna
is
check.
a parent.
And where? So here, like method is where, right?
Yes.
But in
Child class
parameter
have
it says
also,
nothing.
yes. And child class
Uh,
have also where method. Both have same method.
yes.
Okay, but specification
But
is
the
same.
oh, okay. We can change that.
Okay, yes. And we can call the where method of parent also here with through the super keyword.
Oh, okay. Got it. Got it.
Okay. Suppose next I'm going to create a same thing in different way. Okay. In this example, here we are calling creating the object of child. Okay. So here this is a child class name. This is a reference variable. New is a keyword and child here. This is a constructor of child class. But here we can also use parent class reference. Okay. So we can save the child object in parent reference.
Okay, we can save child object in parent
Parent
reference.
reference. Okay, you can use your parent reference, but it is not we can use vice versa. Like we cannot save uh, a child object in parent
Child
class, parent reference. Okay, so here you can see this. If you are we save the child object in parent reference, so we cannot access any properties or any method of child class. Here you can see this. MSG is showing me error because MSG is a part of child class. So if you are passing, we are saving child object in reference of parent class. So we cannot call any method of child class. Okay, we can only call parent class. That is called upper type costing. Okay. So here it is showing error. If you can remove. Okay. Okay, jeans t-shirt, God bless. Okay, so if you are passing object of child class reference of parent class, so only we can call the parent methods. Like wish is also a parent method, or where is
Hmm.
also a parent method,
Yes.
but except overridden method. Because here you can see this is showing this is a part of child class. Jeans t-shirt is a part of
Hmm.
child
Third
class.
class.
Okay, so
Yes,
except
yes. Hmm.
except overridden method, we cannot call any method of child class if we are using upper type costing. It will call only the properties of parent class. Okay,
Okay. In upper type cast. Okay.
okay. Now we are going to example of this. Suppose we have a class RBI. Okay, and this RBI have a properties private, double, interest, public, void, set, interest. Interest is equal to, suppose RBI set the interest rate 4%. Okay, and we have another method, get interest, and it will return the value of interest. Okay, so we have a class RBI, and RBI have a single property interest, and
Hmm.
we have two method, get set interest and get interest. Through the set interest we can set the value of interest, and through the get interest we can
Hmm.
get the value of interest. Okay,
Well,
now I'm
okay.
going to create another class like SBI, and SBI extend RBI, means RBI is the parent of SBI. Okay,
Hmm.
same
Yes.
as I'm going to create multiple class HDFC. Okay, and IDFC. Okay, after that I'm going to create a main class. So here SBI, RBI, sorry, RBI have a property interest and set interest and get interest, two methods. Here
Hmm.
FDFC is a child of RBI. IDFC is also a child of RBI, and SBI
Yes.
is a child of RBI. Okay. Now, suppose here I'm going to create object of RBI obj is equal to new. We can pass the object of any child class. Suppose here we are passing the object of SBI. Okay, it's working, no problem. Obj dot
Hmm.
set interest, and now I'm
Hmm.
going to print here interest rate plus obj dot get interest. Okay. So now we can execute it. 4%.
Yes.
So we can pass any object, any child object like SDFC. Okay. Okay. If we are passing here object of IDFC, okay, no problem. So we can pass object of any child class in the reference of parent class. Okay, but suppose as SBI want to change the interest rate, SDFC want to change the interest rate, IDFC want to change the IDFC interest rate, so it can override this method, set interest. Okay, so here copy this in SBI. Suppose SBI want to set 4.5, 4.5. So here 4.5.
Okay.
Okay, but it's showing error because I have declared interest is a private. So we cannot change, we cannot access private member outside of the class. So here we use protected.
Oh.
Okay, so it will work. No problem. Same as we suppose HDFC want to change the interest rate, so it also can override set method and here change it as a suppose 3. Okay. Same as IDFC want to change the interest rate.
Same.
Yes. Override this method.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to execute again. So here I'm passing IDFC object. Okay. So then you can see this. It's showing 3.0.
Yes. So with the help of
IDFC 1
word
minute.
protected.
3. Okay. Yes. And suppose here we are passing SBI object. Okay. Then 4.5 interest rate. Okay. If we are passing HDFC object 3.0 and IDFC. Okay, 1 minute. I change the IDFC interest rate. Suppose 7. Okay. So here suppose it's passing IDFC. Okay. So overridden method of child class will be executed in this scenario. If you are passing object of child class in the reference of parent class, so the overridden method will be executed of child class. Okay. So if you will pass IDFC, so IDFC interest rate will be executed. If here we are passing SBI, so it will show interest rate of SBI. If you are passing HDFC, it will show interest rates of SBI, HDFC.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the use of upper typecasting. Here we can pass the child object in parent reference.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Ready. Going on. Next topic, abstraction.
Abstraction.
Okay. It is a process hide the processing and show only so in this process, we can hide the processing and only show the functionality to the user. That is called abstraction. And we can say we use oops concept is only for this purpose. The main purpose of oops concept is abstraction. We want to hide the all implementation, all processing from the user side. Okay, like suppose you are using ATM machine. So you will input your
Yeah.
ATM card. After that, it will show multiple question like which type of your account. Suppose we want to withdraw some amount. Okay, so you will put the PIN code and amount, and so it will show multiple question, and you will put the answer of that question. After that, it will provide you fund. Okay, so you know only the questions and output. It means input and output. When what is the processing going on in the background? You don't know about this.
Okay.
Okay, suppose it will must be checked your card is valid or not, your account is valid or not, your account has sufficient balance or not. Okay, so it will check each and everything. It all processing will perform in the background, but we don't know about this. User have not anything showing anything of processing to user end. So that is the abstraction. So if we want to hide the processing from the user end, so we abstract. Okay. So if we want to perform abstraction, so we have two ways. First, abstract class, and second is interface. Okay. So both are used to use apply achieve abstraction in programming code, but both have some similarity and multiple differences. Okay, so we will create the multiple example of abstract class and interface. So we can easily understand what are the difference of abstract class and interface and what is the use of abstract class and interface. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. It's
Hello?
okay?
Yes, yes, I'm here. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So I'm going to create a project. ABS Pro 1. So if we want to create an abstract class, so we use abstract keyword.
Okay.
Suppose class name is circuit. Okay. So here we select the abstract keyword. Here you can the abstract. Okay. After that, click on finish. Okay. After that, I'm going to declare here variable like public, static, and final. If we want to declare a constant, then we use static final. Okay. And after that, I'm going to create an abstract method. Abstract method, we will not create the body of this method, this function. Okay. Like here, add area of circle. Okay, but it's showing error. Okay, so if we want to create a abstract method in an abstract class, so we use abstract keyword with method also. Okay. Abstract method. If we want to create abstract method or abstract class, must be use abstract keyword. Okay. And a abstract method only possible in abstract class. We cannot create a abstract method in concrete class. Okay.
Okay.
Abstract class can contain abstract method only.
Hmm.
Second thing, abstract class can contain abstract and non-abstract, both type of method.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Second thing, abstract class cannot instantiate. Means we cannot create the object of this class.
Okay. So
We, we cannot create the object of this class. So
uh,
you can say, what is the use of this? Okay. So if we
uh,
want to use a abstract class, must be extend in a class, must be implemented in another class. Like suppose we want to use the circle class. So we will create another class like circle, circle impulse.
so so here we will not choose any modifiers.
No, 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 no. That is a normal class. Here we are going to use circle abstract class. Okay. So here extend circle. Circle is a abstract class. Okay. So extend circle. So it will show error. Okay. So please move your mouse pointer that place. Here you can see this. Add unimplemented method. So please click on this option. So you can see here. Override this method. We have already
Oh.
declared in circle. Okay. So if we want to use any abstract class, so must be implemented in another class. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Now I'm going to
Okay.
create, suppose circle. So we have area of circle. So if you want to find out the area of circle, so we have need of radius of circle. So here declare private double radius, and we can generate the setter getter method. Okay. And here we can find out the area of double area is equal to pi r square. So pi we have already declared in circle class,
Mhm.
radius into radius. Okay. After that, if you want to use, we can create a main class. So circle impulse. We cannot create the object of circle. So here we use circle impulse. Spelling CIRCLE IMP. I think it's small.
Uh,
Yes. Okay. After that, we can call set radius and set the value of radius. After that, we can call area of circle. Okay. Same as, suppose we want to create another abstract class. Okay, 1 minute. I'm going to create same thing. We are going to perform with the help of interface. Okay.
Hmm.
We are going to perform same operation with the help of interface. This is abstract class.
Interface.
This is abstract class. No,
Mhm.
now we are
Yes.
going to create an interface. Sorry, interface. So if you want to create an interface, use interface keyword. Okay, circle. Actually, this is already exists. So we are going to create a new project. ABS Pro 2. I'm going to create same thing,
Mhm.
but interface. Sorry for this. Create interface. Name circle. Okay.
Mhm.
So if you want to create a interface, so we use circle interface keyword. If you want to create an abstract class, so we use abstract keyword. Okay.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
Okay. Second
Yeah,
thing,
so abstract keyword.
yes, in abstract class we use abstract keyword, and interface we use abstract interface keyword. Okay. And now
Okay.
suppose we want to declare same thing in interface. Okay, so we have not need to specify public because all members are interface or public.
Okay.
Okay, by default. So we have not need to specify public. Okay, second thing, by default, all variables are static final. So we have not need to declare static final. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. And second thing, abstract by default interface contain only abstract method. We cannot create non-abstract method in interface. So we have not need to specify abstract.
Mhm.
Okay. You can see this. This is circle.
Okay.
In circle, we have need to public and static final. But here
Hmm.
we have not need to this. We only declare here double pi is equal to 3.14. That is a constant. And it contains only abstract method. We can also declare a static and default method in interface, but we cannot create non-abstract method in interface. So mostly interface is used to abstract method. So here we have not need to specify abstract. It by default, this is abstract. Okay. It is same as abstract class. We cannot instantiate interface. So for this purpose, we will create a implemented class like circle impl, and here if we want to use
Mhm.
interface, so must be implement. We use implement keywords, and here declare circle and extend, yeah, implement unimplemented of AOC. Okay. Hello. It's okay. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello, Jyoti.
Okay. Oh, hello.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Hello, Jyoti. Hello, Jyoti. Am I audible? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. So now same as we are
Yes.
going to, I'm going to same thing. We are going to perform same operation in this class, circle impel. Okay. And same as we can create a main class example. Add publisher main. And same, you can copy this. And it will work, no problem. I capital. It's okay. Hello.
Hello.
It's okay.
Yes.
Okay. Just both are same. Here, yeah, if you want to use abstract class, so declare like as. If you are using interface, so we have need to only you can use this. Okay. And abstract class perform 0 to 100% abstraction, but interface provides us 100% abstraction. Okay, and both are used to implement in
Oh,
another class. Here, if you are using abstract class, you use extend. If we are using interface, so we use implement keyword. Okay, and
okay.
the remaining part of the
To use
program will be
extend
same.
word, we use implement.
Yes, abstract class with abstract class. But implement use with interface. Okay.
Sorry, confused in this. So in that one, in abstract, we use extend, but in
Yes.
interface, we use implement to
Yes.
extend. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Mhm.
Okay. And the remaining part of the program will be same.
Good.
Okay. Only changes in
Oh.
interface and abstract class.
Mhm.
Okay. So in abstract class, we can declare any types of public, protected, and default, and public, private. But in interface, we only declare by default all members are public. So here we have not need to declare the public and final static and abstract. By default, the all members, all methods are abstract and static final. Okay, I think enough for today.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to share these examples. Okay, please check it.
Yes.
If you have any doubt or
Mm-hmm.
any queries, you can share with me.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Okay.